Hi everyone, Marco here. Today, you are going to travel with me on a quiet train journey from the city to a small town. But this is not just a story. While you listen, you will learn how to describe movement, places, and feelings in natural English, using longer sentences and connected ideas, just like real speakers do. You will hear how English sounds when it flows calmly, without rushing, and how simple moments can be described with more detail and depth. So relax, listen carefully, and let this story help you improve your English and your listening at the same time. I'm standing on the train platform now, and the space around me feels open and calm, even though there are people waiting nearby. The station is not noisy or rushed. The air is cool against my face, and the sky above is clear, with soft light spreading slowly across the scene. I take a moment to look around and notice how everything feels balanced, as if the day is moving at a comfortable pace. I'm holding my ticket in one hand and my backpack in the other. The paper feels thin between my fingers, slightly warm for my hand. I check the time on my phone and see that the train will arrive soon. There is no stress in this moment. I know I am early, and that gives me a quiet sense of control. I place my phone back in my pocket and let my shoulders relax. Around me, other passengers are waiting in their own small worlds. Some are sitting on benches, leaning back and looking at their phones. Others are standing closer to the edge of the platform, watching the empty tracks with patient expressions. A few people are talking softly, but most of the sounds are distant and gentle. I can hear the wind moving lightly through the station and the quiet echo of footsteps. I turn my attention to the long rails stretching out in front of me. They run straight ahead and slowly disappear into the distance. There is something comforting about watching them, knowing they connect places far away. Even before the train arrives, I feel a quiet sense of movement, as if the journey has already begun in my mind. After a few minutes, I notice a change in the air. A distant sound reaches my ears, low and steady. Soon, the train comes into view, moving slowly toward the platform. Its shape grows clearer as it approaches, and the sound becomes stronger. The train finally stops in front of us, and the doors open with a soft, mechanical sound. People begin to get off, moving calmly and without hurry. I wait patiently, giving space to those leaving the train. When the flow slows down, I step inside and feel the warm air immediately. The inside of the train feels comfortable and enclosed, like a quiet room on wheels. I walk down the aisle, looking for my seat, passing rows of calm faces and small personal spaces. I find my seat next to a window and place my backpack under the seat in front of me. I sit down and adjust myself, feeling the firm but comfortable cushion beneath me. I take a slow breath and let my body settle into the rhythm of the journey. This already feels like a peaceful experience. Other passengers are sitting near me. A couple across the aisle is talking softly, their voices low and relaxed. An older man nearby is looking out the window with steady focus, as if he has made this journey many times before. The atmosphere inside the train feels quiet and respectful, as if everyone understands this is a moment to slow down. The doors close, and soon the train begins to move. I feel a gentle motion under my feet and a slight vibration through the seat. The platform outside starts to slide away, and the station becomes smaller behind us. The city begins to move past the window, slowly at first, then with more flow. I turn my head slightly and look outside. Buildings pass by one after another, their shapes repeating and changing. Streets, cars, small shops, and signs move across my view. Everything feels familiar at first, but slowly the scene begins to change. The buildings become fewer, and the spaces between them grow wider. As the train continues forward, the city fades into open areas. Trees appear, standing tall and still. Fields stretch out in long green lines, and small houses are spread far apart. This change feels natural and calming, as if the world is opening up in front of me. We are in the countryside now. The pace feels slower here, even though the train continues steadily. I rest my head lightly against the window, and the cool glass touches my skin. The sensation is refreshing. I feel present, aware of each passing moment, and comfortable with the quiet. The landscape keeps changing little by little. I see farms with wide open land, wooden fences running parallel to the tracks, and long roads that disappear into the distance. The movement of the train feels steady and safe, and the gentle rhythm begins to feel almost soothing. At one point, I notice a group of cows standing near a field. They are still and relaxed, barely moving as the train passes by. The sight makes me smile quietly. It feels like a small, simple detail, but it adds warmth to the journey. Inside the train, the calm atmosphere remains unchanged. Passengers sit quietly, respecting each other's space. Some are reading books or looking at their phones. Others are resting with their eyes closed. I take my phone out for a moment, check the time, and then put it away again. I want to stay connected to the view outside, not to a screen. The train slows down as it approaches a small station. We stop briefly, and a few passengers get off. A few new ones get on. The station feels quiet and modest, with a short platform and simple signs. I watch through the window as the doors close again, and soon we are moving forward once more. The countryside returns immediately. Fields, trees, and open land surround the tracks again. I feel a gentle rhythm in the journey, a steady forward motion that makes time feel softer. There is no rush here. Everything feels balanced. I start to notice smaller details outside. A narrow river runs beside the tracks for a short time, reflecting the light. Tall trees cast long shadows across the fields. The light itself begins to change as the afternoon moves forward. The colors grow warmer, and everything looks softer, as if the day is slowly preparing to end. My thoughts turn to the town I am going to visit. It is a small town, quiet and simple. I imagine calm streets, small shops, and friendly faces. I picture myself walking slowly, feeling the rhythm of the place. The idea makes me feel comfortable and curious at the same time. As the train continues, I feel closer to my destination. I sit up a little straighter and adjust my backpack with my foot. I feel awake, present, and ready for what comes next. Another small station appears, even quieter than the last one. The sign shows the name of a town I do not know. We stop briefly, then move on again. Now I begin to look outside more carefully. Houses appear closer together. I see small streets, parked cars, and signs of everyday life. The train begins to slow down, and I recognize the feeling in my body. This is my stop. I pick up my backpack and stand up, joining a few other passengers near the door. We wait quietly as the train comes to a complete stop. The doors open, and I step out onto the platform. The air feels fresh and clean, different from the city I left behind. I look around the station. It is small, calm, and welcoming. There are only a few people here, and everything feels unhurried. This is the town. I feel glad to be here. I walk away from the train slowly, listening as it prepares to leave again. The journey is complete, and a new moment is beginning. In this story, I traveled by train from a busy city to a small, quiet town. I waited calmly on the platform, watched the train arrive, and slowly moved away from the city as the landscape changed. During the journey, I noticed the countryside, the people inside the train, and the peaceful rhythm of travel. As the train passed fields, farms, and small stations, time felt slower and more gentle. I thought about my destination and imagined the life waiting for me there. When the train finally stopped, I stepped onto the platform feeling calm, present, and ready for a new moment to begin. Repeat with me. I am standing calmly on the train platform. I am standing calmly on the train platform. The journey feels slow, safe, and peaceful. The journey feels slow, safe, and peaceful. The city slowly disappears behind the train. The city slowly disappears behind the train. Fields and trees replace the busy streets. Fields and trees replace the busy streets. I rest my head against the window. I rest my head against the window. The countryside feels open and quiet. The countryside feels open and quiet. Time moves differently during this journey. Time moves differently during this journey. I imagine the town I will visit. I imagine the town I will visit. The train slows down near my stop. The train slows down near my stop. A new moment begins when I arrive. A new moment begins when I arrive. This was a simple journey, but also a useful one for your English. You listened to connected ideas, longer sentences, and calm descriptions that reflect how English is used in real life. If you enjoyed this story, listen again and try the shadowing section. And next time, we will explore another moment where English grows naturally through a real experience. Would you like the next story to happen in another town, another journey, or a daily situation?